Welcome to Algebra Basics. Today, we are going to explore what it really means to find the solution to an equation. It's not just about getting an answer, it's about finding the value that makes the statement true. First, let's understand what an equation is. Think of an equation like a statement that says two things are equal. It always has a left side and a right side connected by an equal sign. This means whatever is on the left has the exact same value as whatever is on the right. You will often see letters like x, y, or n in an equation. We call this letter a variable. It is simply a placeholder for a number we do not know yet. In this example, x plus 5 equals 12, x represents the mystery number. So how do we know if a number is the solution? We test it. Let's see if the number 3 is the solution to x plus 5 equals 10. If we replace x with 3, we get 3 plus 5. That equals 8. But the equation says it should equal 10. Since 8 is not equal to 10, this is false. So 3 is not the solution. Now let's try the number 5 for the same equation. We replace x with 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. The equation says it should equal 10. Since 10 equals 10, this statement is true. Because the left side matches the right side, we know we found the right number. This brings us to the definition. A solution is the specific value for the variable that makes the equation true. It is the only number that will balance the equation perfectly. Let's visualize this with a balance scale. Imagine our equation is x plus 2 equals 6. If we try the value 3 for x, we get 3 plus 2, which is 5. 5 is less than 6, so the scale would tip. It is not balanced, which means 3 is not the solution. Now let's try the value 4. If we replace x with 4, we get 4 plus 2, which is 6. On the other side, we also have 6. The scale is perfectly balanced. This confirms that 4 is the solution. Let's check one more example. 3x equals 15. Remember, 3x means 3 times x. If we try x equals 4, 3 times 4 is 12. That does not equal 15. But if we try x equals 5, 3 times 5 is 15. That matches, so 5 is the solution. To wrap up, remember these key points. Equations are like balanced scales. The variable is just a placeholder. And most importantly, a solution is the value that makes the equation true. Always substitute your answer back into the equation to check if you are right.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.